Hilton doesn't. And that light stays on for a while.
Oh yeah. This was an old U.S. or Continental.
Most likely. Yeah, it's got the interlocks though. Continental.
Well, the door frame is the giveaway.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's got the U.S. style frames.
Pretty decent motor.
Yeah. Nice motor. It's got multi-dimensional sensors. Those are
All sensors are multi-dimensional.
Those so
They're
you can
2D
see
or
them,
3D.
You can see them like flashing purple on the camera, but to me those are like bright red LEDs, and they're very directional based. It's like
But yeah,
a laser in there.
this kind of door frame is the giveaway that it was U.S. Where it goes all the way, where that top part goes all the way across.
Yeah. And then the split sides like this.
Yep.
Usually they got that weird groove.
Exactly. I was about to say this. I think that was replaced because typically these have grooves. This it's grooved along here.
Yeah. Still has.
I actually think on some of the newer ones it wasn't grooved.
Still has some classic logoing.
Yeah, it's neat. It's still neat. But it would have been cool.
Oh, that's nice.
And that's it.